Well, hello, huladunya. Kimraha Chief. Kimraha huladunya.
Gama hi fur anju.
Hi fur. Hi what was like fur? Hashnech erin talaf. Snow is on the ground. In talaf. Okay. Va ik jirik neshekken va va tushka aun, va schnech aun. I guess hi fur. Tushka rain. Schnech, snow, of course. There's rain and snow. Haro Chinchin. There weren't any fires, so that's okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, anyway, so Jay Urnayak, Jay Urnayak Ekahula Dunya. What's everybody's news? What's going on? Jehadol. Someone want to start?
Hami Dunya, my husband. Air Bobaskich.
Jay?
Kluha Bobaskich.
He's playing baseball.
They're watching. Sorry, I meant to say.
Oh, okay.
Balabaskich. Okay. Balabaskich. Okay. Russian Sporsel.
Yeah, college. Aztecs. So they're away. I'm home alone.
Oh.
Nice.
I mean Lumhane. All by myself. Okay.
Leva.
Okay, Tim. Jay Donayak.
Hi, me on time Heron Saturday. I was hosting in the House of Ireland on Saturday.
Okay. Time
with our cousins, yes.
Geo friends or good relations, okay? And the Erich, the Irish, okay. Aaron, Jay deny it.
Panel Moran, vai scohach and you was cloudy. Agus vami a goper on an teich at home on an teich. Yeah, le computer.
Okay, I'll leave. Okay. I guess Lisa, J Donayexa.
How me Guma.
I
forgot the middle Nachma.
Minachma.
Yeah, Minachma.
Okay, Gleba. Okay. I guess Denise J Nayak Akatsa.
Guma. I don't know what you just said.
Okay. What is your news?
Well, next, actually this week I am starting my networking class from continuing education. And I took it before, but I really want to learn how to do it better. So I'm taking it again. It's free.
Okay. Gleba. Okay. I guess Matthew. Veskerma. J Nayak Akatsa.
Veskerma.
Okay. All right. No, Gleba. Okay. So does anybody have any questions? Any points of interest? No?
I started a list of words where I noticed that the gender didn't seem like it followed one of the rules. But I can't find it now.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Okay. All right. Oh, well, good, good.
Okay, this Thursday at the House of Ireland, they're going to have talking about the Book of Kells, and they got somebody from Scotland who's going to say it really came from the priest in Scotland. But I was when Iona, they said Iona, they did it there, and they sent it to Ireland to protect it from the Vikings. So this Thursday is going to be a Zoom meeting. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. 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 Oh, good. Good. Yeah. Hi, Glei Inchinach. Okay. I guess. Yeah. And one of the things that's very interesting about it is, of course, the text is Christian, but many of the images are pagan and Pictish, and so it's really intercultural artifact. Okay, yeah, okay, Gleba. All right, Gleba. All right. Okay, all right. Well, let's take a look at what we've got for tonight. See, let me call it to share. Where are we? Right here. Okay. All right. Okay. So you should be able to see my screen here. All right. Okay. All right. Here we have the Piper. Okay. The Piper of the week. Okay. Piping us into the class. Okay. Okay. And our schedule for the week of a proverb and grammar, and we'll review the rules, okay, and then do some exercises. And I've made a series of flashcards for you. So not only will we do them, in class or start them in class, but you have them to let's go to practice with. And also remember that when we have something like this, well, especially something for the general rule, one of the things that we want to learn is how to apply the general rule, because of course in this exercise there aren't all the words in the dictionary, but if you get the idea of what the general rule is, then that'll serve you very well as you go forward. And as Aaron pointed out, there's quite a few, I don't know, maybe 20%. I've seen the number 20% of words that don't follow the pattern, don't follow the guidelines. Okay, but still, you can go a long different distance, knowing the rules. And and next week, I will introduce some methods to help you remember what the gender is. So you won't have to. So each time you learn a word, you don't necessarily have to, apply the rule. I mean, you'll be able to recognize the rule, but there are some ways to remember, to help you remember what the gender is. Okay. Anyway, all right, but we'll get to that. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Fun phrase. Olescriku. Okay, as lazy as a dog. As fond as Gael's Highlanders are of dogs, they have this, I guess for every proverb, there's an equal and opposite proverb. So anyway, Olescriku. Okay, as lazy as a dog. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Okay, language notes. Okay, so how to say that one thing is as X as another. Ho mori alavin, as big as an elephant. Ho ri. Okay, it's chori. Okay, chobek riluch, as small as a mouse. So it's not saying that it's bigger or smaller than whatever, but it's as big as or small as or choluri ech, as fast as a horse. Whatever you want to say, one thing is as something as another. Okay, chori. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay. Okay. So and then remember, I do try to um, put uh, a little, where possible, um, put little language note or a lesson applied to to even the throwaway bits of our class. Okay, so anyway, so all right, so and I found this little video. It's kind of fun. One of the ways to learn Gaelic syntax, get used to how a Gaelic sentence is put together, is to use Gaelic's grammar, sentence construction in English. And this is actually, so here we see it done in kind of a funny way, and I'll show you the video in just a moment. But this is actually recommended by very prominent Gaelic scholar and teacher, and a fellow by the name of Ronald Black. Okay. Roll Mihilihu. Okay, Ronald Black. Okay, so anyway, so he actually recommends this method. It doesn't have to be the only thing that you do, but just to get used to Gaelic syntax, how the sentence is put together. Okay, so I have to stop the share for a moment and then reshare to get the share the sound. Okay, share sound. I'll just do the screen. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So let's try this now. See if we can get this coming up. Where is it? Oh, here we go. Okay.
Morning, good. What is going? A cold is on me. I am as cold as poison. Is food at you? No. The hunger is on me also, but time is not at me. Is the ability to you something to make with yourself? Not able. I am as sick as a dog. Did see you, Callan? Saw. He was in his journalist, but now he is working on his own head. How yellow for him. Oh, my destruction has come. Forgot me phone to put to the doctor. Are you thinking that we'll see me them today? I think that. Anyway, need I my feet to take off. Blessings with you. Night good. Morning good. What is going? A cold is on me. I am as cold as poison. Is food at you? No. The hunger is on me also.
Okay. Anyway. All right. Okay. All right. So an example of Gaelic syntax used in English. Okay. All right. So as you learn your sentences, learn to put stuff together, you can again expand it. Don't just learn one sentence, but one application, but you can expand it to other uses. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. So anyway, small spark is trichalasis stratic thick chinamore. Okay. So I thought this was very appropriate for our for our times here in California nowadays, in the last couple of weeks, is often that sets afire a small spark, stratic vec, spark little, chenamore, a fire big, a big fire. So as often a small spark kindles a large fire. Okay, so anyway, so is trick alasis stratic vec Chinnamore. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So that's a okay. Kind of similar to mighty oaks from little acorns grow. Okay. Not quite the same. Okay. Oh, and and I have a couple different examples from Scottish history here. Okay. When Robert the Bruce was fighting for Scottish independence, fighting to stave off the attempts by the English to conquer Scotland, he met with a rival, John Comyn, and they went into a church to have a conversation, and they ended up having a fight, and Robert the Bruce killed the Comyn. Okay, and so you might say that was a small spark. It led eventually to Robert the Bruce becoming King Robert the Bruce of Scotland. Another small spark that I note was in July of 1745, Prince Charles Edward Stuart, Bonnie Prince Charlie, just with 7 companions, set foot on Scottish soil in the Outer Hebrides. Okay, and he didn't have any weapons or army or even money. He didn't even have the loyalty and the backing of the Highland clans, and he was promised help from France that never came. However, that small spark of his landing sparked the 45 rebellion. Okay, what turned out to be the disastrous 45. Okay, and another example. Not just war and rebellion that can be sparked, but so can birth. Sir Ian Noble, a Scottish businessman, rich financier, donated a small plot of land and an old stone barn on the Isle of Skye to begin a Gaelic college. And from that small spark, to keep up the theme, was born Solomore Ostick, the Gaelic College on the Isle of Skye. And this is actually a picture of the old barn. Okay, this is the new building right here. You see a picture of it right there. Okay, that's the new building, and that's where all the modern classes are held. All the current classes are held. And right here, this is fun. That's a little nursery, because of course it gets cold up there on the Isle of Skye. But they have a nursery to grow fresh produce. Okay, and so they have classes in a conference rooms and an auditorium and a cafeteria, and they have wonderful food there too. Okay, anyway, but that's the old building, and the old barn is now used for administrative purposes. To house the administrative offices. And also somewhere in there, in one of these doors, and the building goes around. It's one of these circular courtyard type buildings. There's a pub that they have all their Caileys in. so right there in the old barn. Anyway, so that's Lassusbeck. Okay, Lassusbeck. Okay, all right. So let's go to gender. So I'll remind you very quickly of the rules. Okay, so. And again, remember that what we're doing is we're learning how to identify feminine nouns, because those are the most marked. Okay, and if you can identify those, and if you, by the simple process of elimination, if it's not feminine, then it has to be masculine, because Gaelic only has 2 genders. Okay, anyway, so an ach or an ek at the end of a word. Shivaltuck, Nashintuck, okay, nationality, okay, or an ek or an ok, a kulik, unyek, kalik, girl. Okay, let's see. Somebody has a question or a note. Let's see. Stratic fits, right? Okay, Gleva. Number 1. Okay, yeah. Okay, Gleva. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah. Okay. And I'll go back to this. I'll close that. Okay, and I'll go back to the Stratic. And next week, I'll talk about how to remember, but I'll just point out a feminine noun, the adjective is lenited where possible. So one of the ways that we have to remember that is remember not just the noun, but a very simple adjective that goes with it. Structic feck. Okay, so you always put them together, remember them together, and you know, oh, okay, it's feck, it's lenited, so therefore it's a feminine. Chinnamore, okay, the
Male.
more big is not lenited, so that would tell us that it's a masculine noun, even though. Okay, so Aaron, you can put this on your list, even though it violates the rule. You have a slender vowel, but it's a masculine, chinnamore. Okay, all right, okay, all right, Leba. Okay, so and a slender last vowel. Okay, so you'll see this, and by the last vowel, don't mean the last letter. Okay, but the last vowel. So there might be other letters after the last vowel. So right here, an ST, brackish, or shakach, you know, the D, or skull, the L. Okay, but that's but that's an indication that it is feminine. Okay, and if the last vowel is broad, chances are the word is masculine. Okay. Okay. And then now those are the big tails. You have some others. Anavian or Persican Boranach, female animals and female people. Bo, Kura, Nian, Kalach, you know, so you know these are feminine words. And other female persons, Nian, Maistchen, Maher, pure sister, Shineva, grandmother. Okay, so these are all feminine nouns. So not only are they female persons, but they're feminine nouns. And I'll get to an exception. Oh, does anybody remember the exception to the female person?
Oranach.
Boranach, yeah. Boranach, which means woman, is a male or a masculine noun. So go figure. Okay. Anyway, okay. This is a very easy tell. A bana or a ben in front of a word. This is the equivalent of the S on the end of an English word, the ESS. That is not used that much anymore. You know, English has undergone a bit of a change. I don't know, the last 10 years, 20 years, that we've begun dropping what used to be quite common. You know, the actress, waitress, you know, and all the other stewardess, you know, all the other words that used to signify the female person who is doing a job, you know, or holding a position, or you know, a word that was otherwise gendered male, actor, steward. What else did I say? Anyway, but Gaelic still retains this. And the difference is bana is applied to a noun that would otherwise be a male. So a siger would be a soldier, bana higer would be a female soldier. Gaskik would be, and note how, where possible, most of the times it lenites. Okay, Gaskik would be a hero, bana gaskik would be a female hero, a heroine. Okay. Oh yeah, and I guess that's another female suffix that we that at least at one time was applied to words. Okay, banaisker. Okay, so no lenition because it begins with a vowel, but or banavuchek, a witch. Okay, a buchek would be a male witch, sometimes in English known as a wizard. Banavuchek would be a female witch. Banarooster, filthy, nasty, indecent, or obscene female. A trooster would be the same, only a male. Okay, and a ben, if the word is a verb, it's not a noun. Czechish is not a noun, not a teacher, but a ben Czechish, a woman teacher, a woman of teaching, something like that. Okay, a ben Glani, a woman of cleaning, a cleaning woman, or ben Chorla, female counselor, a counseling woman, or ben Eishtich. Okay, Eishtich would be listening, so to be a female listener, a woman of listening. Okay, anyway, so a bana or a ben. Okay, all right, and here we have boranach. Okay, and then parts of the body, lots of parts of the bodies: boik, body, kas, lav, sul, and so. But you'll notice that two of these here don't follow the narrow vowel, the slender vowel rule. Okay, so okay, kill, a couple musical instruments, traditional musical instruments, peep, feel, and can't go too far with this because the next traditional instrument in our collection, Clàr, is masculine. So anyway, but let's remember that these two are feminine. Okay, and duchanan, nations. Most nations are female. Alapa, Antoine, Anrenk, Sasin, Ahumri. These are feminine. Okay. And heavenly bodies. Okay. Idamolch. Okay. Outside the Idamolch, in the heavens. Okay. Grian, Gaelic, Rinnick. And again, you'll notice these violate the slender vowel rule. Okay, but if you see the you identify it as a heavenly body of one kind or another. You can take a guess that it's feminine. Okay, masculine nouns. If it's not in the above groups, most often it's male. Okay, and imported loan words from English are usually masculine. A bus, a car, a plane. These are masculine. Okay. Okay. Oh, I know that trolley, okay, is feminine. Don't know why. Maybe because of the last vowel rule, because you'd think that it would fall into the borrowed word category. Okay, and it is a borrowed word, but for some reason it's feminine. Okay, maybe because it crosses over. Okay, and then verbal nouns with this type of ending, a ch, so aharakach, kaunakach, and so on and so forth. Okay, these are masculine, not to be confused with ak. Okay, the ACHD. Okay, this is a soft sound at the end. Aharakach, kaunakach. You see, so I don't really pronounce these hard. Okay, all right, okay. And then just a little aside, note how these words, these verbal nouns can work as nouns or verbs, which is why they're called verbal nouns. And so as a verbal noun, hur antarakach una orum. This change surprised me. The change, antarakach. Hamitolachilis on kaunakakakam. I'm happy with my purchase or with my buying. Okay. But they can also work as verbs. Analayan agarakak. You see, so agarakak, arakak. Okay, the days are changing. Days are changing. Or haya kaunakakar ur. She is buying a new car, a kaunakak. So same word, or it looks the same, but it's used different. So verbal nouns, aptly named verbal noun, can either be used as a noun or a verb. But when it's used as a noun, it's masculine. If it has this ending, okay? If it has that ending, okay? There are verbal nouns that don't have that ending and are feminine, okay? And follow the other rules like, the slender vowel rule, okay? All right, so that's a review. Any question? Any questions? Okay, all right, okay. All right, well, all right, so now we're going to have the test. All right, well, don't get nervous. Let's see, let me see then. And as you know, all this material is available to you. Let's see, where are we? Shekish, Kiet Bliana, chapters, and this is week 16. Okay, all right. So what I want to do is yeah. Okay, so we should have this coming up, this PDF coming up. And of course, this is available to you, and you can pairs. Okay, all right, okay. What are we doing? Okay. Oh, where did everything go? Okay, oh, okay, here we go. Okay. 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 All right, Bo Tarif. Okay, which is which?
Bo is as feminine.
Bo is feminine, and Tarif would be
masculine.
Masculine. Very good. Okay.
Even though they're both animals?
Yeah, even
what's
though,
a male animal?
yeah, this follows what the masculine or feminine gender of the actual animal, what's called the natural gender.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, and I'll make a note about this, and that you can't always tell because a deer is fey. Okay. Now, that is masculine. Okay. And it doesn't follow the if I've got that right. Okay. 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 Yeah. Pieranach, deer. Oh, fiag. Fey is the genitive. Okay. Fiag. Okay. Fiag. Okay. Yeah. Masculine. Fey would be the genitive. Okay.
That's going to be confusing because is a deer a girl and a buck is a boy?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. But no,
or a doe.
Yeah, doe. You see, and it goes by what culturally you'd expect an animal to be. So you can't always go by your English language expectations, because in English, when we hear the word deer, at least for me, I always think Bambi. So Bambi's mother, a deer, right? But in Gaelic, I guess the prototypical animal would be like the stag, the buck, the deer with the horns on it. And so, so you can't always go on what your expectations would be, but anyway, but at least it gives us a start. Okay. All right. So let's go back here. Okay. Bo Tarif. Okay. And Kalak and Balak.
Kalak is female.
Feminine. Balak
Yeah,
masculine.
Yeah, very good. Shakach or Kota.
Shakad
Shakach
ends with an I.
Yep.
Would be
So it's
what?
feminine.
Yeah, feminine. Very good. Yeah. It's got a slender eye. and kota would be masculine. Okay, so and when I put these together, I tried not to throw any curveballs in here, so they should follow one of the rules or another. Okay, or skol or kolistja.
So skull is feminine.
Feminine.
Yeah, feminine, and kolistja. Well, there's a curveball for you, but anyway, but it is masculine. Okay, okay. Kas would be what?
Part of the body
Yeah,
that has a rule of
yeah, which would be feminine.
feminine.
Yeah, part of the body. Okay. Now there are parts of the bodies that, well, gloon would be also
Feminine.
feminine. Yeah. Okay. Pork.
Feminine.
Feminine unless it's
Yeah.
exception.
Here we have a twofer. Okay, it's got the ag ending and it's a part of the body. Okay. Gaelic.
Feminine.
Feminine. It's heavenly.
Heavenly body.
Yeah. Okay. Green.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Heavenly body. Okay. Pure. versus-
Feminine.
Feminine versus Brahir.
Masculine.
Mhm.
Masculine. Yeah. Okay. Natural. Maistin versus Gaskech.
And feminine.
Is
First one.
female.
Yeah. Feminine. Yeah. Feminine.
Mhm.
Gaskech would be,
Masculine?
Masculine.
yeah, masculine.
Is
Okay.
ACH.
Yeah. And well, not just that, but it's a very prototypically thought of as being a male person. Okay. A female hero, a heroine, would be a Banagaskik. A Banagaskik. Okay. Kerk versus Kolak.
Carrick is
Feminine?
feminine.
Yeah. And a Kolak would be
Masculine. Oh.
masculine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Send you back to the chicken farms. Get that straight. Okay. Bhàta would be
Masculine.
Masculine.
masculine. Yeah. Okay. Soyach,
Masculine.
masculine. Or would it be?
I feel like it would be feminine. I don't know. I'm going with like the English sort of way of referring to boats
Yeah.
as
No. It would be a
ships.
yeah. It would be masculine.
It
Okay.
would be masculine.
Yeah. Okay. A Ben or Dunya,
Ben is
Feminine.
feminine.
feminine, masculine.
Dunya.
Yeah. Ben. Okay. So Ben could either be used as a prefix, like Ben Chekish, a woman teacher, or just as a word by itself, a woman or a wife. Okay. And Dunya can either be a man or a husband. Okay. Ushka.
Ishka.
Oh,
I'm thinking it's a part of heavenly. It's like
well,
from earth. Maybe?
no, this is a tricky one. It shouldn't even be on here because I don't want to throw any curveballs at you, but
It's
Ushka
masculine.
masculine. Okay.
Even
Ushka-
when it's connected with other, like Uskabea.
Oh yeah, Ushkabea. Oh yeah, very good. Ushkabea. Water of life, Ushkabea.
Mhm.
So
So it's
Yeah.
still masculine then?
yeah.
Okay.
Ushka. Oh, where are we? Okay. I wanted to do this. Yeah, so you have Ushka Bea. Okay. Bea, life is not lenited. Therefore, Ushka is masculine. You see, because remember I told you, the adjective is lenited if it's feminine. Well, here Ushkabea, not lenited. And then next week I'll introduce you to some other tells. But on Tushka, you remember on Tushka, the water. So the T in front of the vowel is a masculine tell. Okay. So the the T is a masculine tell. But we'll get to that next week. Okay. But yeah, but I didn't mean to put that on there and confuse matters. But anyway, Joch,
Masculine.
masculine. Okay. Okay. Cluas,
Feminine.
Feminine.
feminine. Okay. Right. Strone.
Feminine.
So
Feminine.
feminine.
Yeah. And then note how I pronounce this. Strone. And
Strone.
SR is pronounced like an STR. Strone. Strone. Okay. All right. So anyway. Right, okay. Rinnick.
Feminine, because it's
Feminine. Yeah. This is a 2-4. It's got the AG ending, and then also it's a heavenly body, star. Okay. Riol.
Feminine.
feminine.
Feminine. Yeah. Constellation. Kalach and Botach.
Masculine.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Masculine.
Feminine, masculine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chenga.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Feminine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Biol.
Also
Feminine.
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 Yeah. Okay. Skian or Cliff.
Hmm.
Both masculine?
Actually,
thought.
no, I don't know why I put this in here. I shouldn't have. It's confusing anyway, but skiing is feminine and Cliff sword is masculine. Okay. All right. Let me double check that. Skiing. Yeah, Bodenach knife. Okay. 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 Yeah. Nashitak or Sudanach.
Both
Feminine,
feminine.
because you said niche.
Feminine, yeah, both feminine. Feminine. Okay. Good. The ACHD. Gu or Fuim.
Hmm.
Masculine. Feminine.
Masculine, feminine, right? Okay. Okay. Cluran or loose.
Both male.
Both
Okay.
masculine.
Both masculine. That's what I'd say. Okay. Cluran, masculine and loose, masculine. Yeah. Okay. Both masculine. Yeah. Have to double check that. Peep or feel.
Oh,
Music.
both-
Instruments.
Mass-
so-
feminine.
Both feminine.
Feminine.
Both feminine.
Feminine. Yeah.
They aren't harps.
Yeah. But
Harps
not
is a masculine.
harp is masculine. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Dochus or mean. Dochus.
I think both
Both-
masculine.
Both masculine.
Masculine. Okay. Yeah. Karched or oper.
Masculine.
Masculine. Feminine.
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 Work is feminine.
Yeah. Open. Yeah.
Because of the eye.
Fion or loon.
Female.
Both.
Both masculine.
Yeah, I'd say both masculine. No. Fion. Yeah, Fiedenach. Yeah. Okay. Loon. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And the reason I'm checking is I thought what I did was I set them in opposition, but one masculine, one feminine, but I guess I didn't. So anyway, Chenna is Jetach.
Both masculine.
Masculine, because you said because of more.
Yeah, Chenna more. Yeah, very good. Chenna Jetach.
Remember something.
Okay. Jetach. Oh, Jetach is actually feminine. Jetach. Okay, that's feminine.
Because of the ach.
Yeah, the ach. Yeah. Unyak and Doris.
Feminine. Masculine.
Feminine, masculine. Very good. Yeah, follows the rule. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Gra is Karchus.
Both masculine?
Both masculine.
Masculine. Okay. Yapi is Kahir.
Both feminine.
Both feminine. Okay. Okay. Shenavar is Shener.
Feminine and the
Feminine.
masculine.
Masculine.
Yeah. Shenavar. Shener. Okay. And one of the things to note here is Shenavar, grandmother, comes from Seanfhacal,
Old mother.
old mother, and Shinner,
Old
Oh, father.
father.
grandfather, yeah, comes from
Shin Aher.
Sean Aher. Yeah. Okay, Sean Aher. Okay. I guess it'd be more Sean. Yeah. Sean Aher. Okay, Shinner. All right, clever. Okay. Tea and coffee.
Both feminine.
Both,
Well, no, coffee's like a borrowed word from English.
yeah, and so is tea. Let's see, tea. Okay, tea. Yeah, borenach.
So tea is feminine.
Tea is feminine, and coffee would be masculine. Okay. All right. Okay. Violates the rule. Coffee.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, don't know what rule it follows. I mean, so tea follows one rule and coffee follows another. So boundary and
Feminine, masculine.
feminine, masculine. Yeah.
Bond.
Yeah. Boundary. Okay. So that's that ban. Okay. Yeah. Bana boundary. Okay.
A female king.
Yeah, female king. There you go. Okay. Yeah. All right. Nian and muck.
Feminine,
Feminine,
masculine.
masculine.
Yeah, feminine and masculine. Yeah. Okay, duich and bala.
Feminine.
Yeah, feminine
Masculine.
and bala. Bala would be masculine.
Okay.
Violates a rule. Okay, violates the rule. Duich. Okay. Okay. Gaonsi and at.
Feminine, masculine.
Feminine, masculine.
Masculine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Echo and ferric.
Masculine, masculine.
Masculine and feminine, I think. Ferric. Borenak, yeah.
Mm.
Okay, yeah. What? Oh, yeah. Reason for that is ferric. Well, it's pronounced. Note that you have the fair. Let's see how would I fair.
Heck.
Yeah, the ek. Okay. You have the little hidden vowel in there. So in English you'd pronounce it something like ferg, but in Gaelic it's ferg. You have the little insertion, and I'll talk about that. But
So that counts as a slender vowel, even though it's disguised.
Well, it doesn't. Yeah, it counts as the AG. My guess is that that's what's going on. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't officially count, but my guess is that is what's going on because it's pronounced ferric, with the ek at the end.
Ek.
Yeah, so I'm just trying to rationalize it. Okay, why?
So it has to sound like ek. It doesn't have to be spelled like ek.
Right, sometimes not. Sometimes, or at least not in this case. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Gul and gra.
Masculine.
Both masculine.
Masculine, yeah. Masculine for both, I think. Gul. Okay, so now I'm confused. Yeah. Okay, gul and gra. Okay, masculine. Yeah. Both follow the rule. Okay. All right. Fianus and fis.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Masculine.
Masculine. Yeah. Okay. Cottage. Okay. All right. So cottage, a pair, or cottage, a friend.
Feminine.
Okay. Well, cottage, a friend would be masculine, but cottage, a pair would be feminine. Okay. So that's a tricky one. Okay.
Yeah. Because the last vowel is slender.
Yeah, on both cases. Okay. But here, I guess the rule is that it's very often it's referring to a male friend. A female friend would be a bana cottage.
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 Bana cottage.
Female friend versus a cottage. Okay.
Is that what they call a girlfriend? Like someone you're dating?
Cottage. Could be. Could be a bana cottage. But it could just be a female friend. Not necessarily a girlfriend, you know, in the sense of a romantic connection. Okay, Sgeulachd, separation.
Masculine.
Masculine, you know, it's a
ADH.
construction. Okay, Bane or crook.
Feminine, masculine.
Feminine, masculine, yeah. And then notice how I pronounce this. The CN, yeah, is pronounced like a CR. Crook. Crook. Mean,
Masculine.
Masculine.
masculine, yeah, okay, leba. Posta or oche,
Masculine, feminine.
Masculine, feminine.
masculine, feminine, yeah, okay, leba. Sgeulachd or darach.
Both feminine.
I think Sgeulachd is feminine, darach would be masculine. And I'm not even sure. You see, so I did this such a long time ago. I'm not even sure what I was trying to get at with this. Because I thought what I did was yeah. Oh,
Okay.
both
Both masculine.
Both masculine.
masculine. Yeah, okay. Let me see. I thought I was following the
Opposite rules. I don't know.
yeah, following the rules pretty strictly, but I've thrown some like I said, some curveballs in here. Let's see.
So are plants usually masculine? Trees and plants?
Feminine, masculine. Yeah, can't say. Okay, all right. Okay, so so this is a good one here. So this is the one that I did. Okay, so anyway, so what's the gender and what's the rule? So grace,
Feminine.
feminine,
Thin, slender.
Slender.
vowel.
feminine, final slender vowel. Okay, yeah. So this is a good one here. Okay, Chloe, what's the gender and what's the rule?
Masculine doesn't fit a feminine
Masculine.
rule.
Yeah, not a slender vowel. Okay, masculine. Okay. Gender rule,
Slender vowel is last.
slender vowel, feminine. Yeah, very good. Gender rule, frickershed answer.
Slender
Same.
vowel.
Slender vowel, feminine. Yeah, okay. See, yeah, so this one I did what I wanted to. I guess that one that I was working to, and it's good that we did that. I mean, you know, that's a good exercise for me. But I refined the exercise with this. This is my final draft. So anyway, my apologies. Anyway, so gender and rule would be she. Peace would be
Feminine, slender vowel.
feminine, slender vowel. Okay. Gender rule, coca.
Masculine because
Masculine.
ADH.
Yeah, just masculine. It's got the DH ending. Not to be confused with the DH, the CHD ending. Okay, kokuk. Okay. Masculine, no final vowel, slender. Kolya, forest.
Masculine.
Masculine.
Slender vowel.
Oh, that is slender, huh?
Yeah, E is a slender vowel. Okay, yeah.
Feminine.
Feminine, yeah, okay. Two, a flood.
Feminine.
That's a
Feminine,
slender vowel.
yeah. B,
Masculine.
Masculine.
masculine, yeah. No slender vowel. Lav,
Feminine because of the body part.
feminine body part. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Kas,
Body part.
Feminine.
Feminine body part.
feminine body part. Okay. Irmulch,
Feminine
Feminine.
because it's
Feminine. Heavens.
heavens.
heavenly
Heavenly
body.
body.
Yeah. Fear,
We
Masculine.
just talked about this.
Masculine because it's weird.
DH.
yeah. Masculine because the prototypical deer is male in Gaelic. Okay. Okay. Matachrug, a fox.
Masculine.
Masculine. Yeah. Okay.
DH.
Yeah.
DADH.
Yeah, because the DH and because prototypically male. Okay. And extra points if you can tell me what that word means. Matachrug.
It's red something.
Red beast.
Red dog. Red
Oh, a
dog.
dog.
Oh, okay.
Matak
Bhàta.
is an obsolete word for dog. Okay. Matachrug. Okay. Okay. Masculine, male animal. Sgeulachd.
Masculine.
Masculine.
There's no
No
broad
slender vowel.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Lower.
Lower. Masculine.
Masculine. Broad vowel. Okay. Green.
Feminine.
Heavenly body.
Heavenly body. Very good. Rog.
Masculine. ADH ending.
Masculine. ADH. Yeah. Cosmic.
Feminine because it's the other one.
Yeah. The ACH.
ACHD.
Okay. Cosmic. Has a K sound at the end of that. Okay. Which is kind of hard to say, but here's a trick. Okay. Word like uacher. Okay. Let's see, cur. Okay. So in this, you can see the K sound. Okay. And you can pronounce it. Okay. Uacher with a K. Okay. If it were without the AD on the end, it would be, word doesn't exist, but uak be uck. Okay. You'd have a K sound. And you actually do have words beck, okay, with a K at the end. Beck, and then a CH and a K. Okay. But the CHD combines, and it's kind of hard. Uck, cur. Okay. Yeah, CH sound and the K sound. Okay, cur. So you can practice this coming week. Cur. Like loch, only with a K at loch. Okay, only with a K at the end. So cur. And I think one of the ways to learn how to say it is to say it with a word that has something that, as an English speaker, you can kind of get your grip on. Cur. You can say the K if there's something that follows it. And then,
okay.
Then after a while, so do you get my idea? Then
Yeah.
after a while, you'll learn how to say it without something following it, like bech. Okay. All right. Anyway, but that's just a little note there. What do you got? Okay, so masculine, feminine, and then ka.
Masculine.
Broad vowel. Kega.
Feminine because it's a
Feminine.
body
Body part.
Body part. Gu.
Masculine.
Is that a
We had it
body
before.
part too?
Masculine?
Yeah, masculine because it's a broad vowel.
So we had it before.
Yeah.
There.
Duchas.
Masculine.
Masculine. Okay.
Not slender.
Broad vowel. Dulchas.
Masculine.
Masculine. Broad vowel. Glace.
Masculine.
Masculine.
Okay. Broad vowel. Korstach.
Masculine.
ADH.
Masculine. Yeah. ADH. Yeah. Opposach. Oh, and it's also also say here, cut it off here, a verbal noun ending with ADH, but posach.
Has to be masculine because ADH.
Yeah, ADH, verbal noun. Poparchticus.
Masculine.
Yeah, okay. Dochus.
Masculine.
Masculine, okay. Broad vowel. Ekel.
Masculine.
Okay. Keist.
Feminine.
Feminine.
Yeah, feminine. Inquiry or a question. I should put question there. Okay, feminine. Okay, slender vowel. Fisrachach,
Male.
Masculine.
Masculine.
male.
ADH.
ADH, verbal noun. Shlika,
Feminine.
feminine. Yeah, very good.
Slender vowel.
Feminine,
Mhm.
slender vowel. Kostiel,
Masculine.
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 masculine. Okay. Broad vowel. Stratak,
Masculine.
Feminine.
feminine. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's got the
Oh,
age.
AG.
AG.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got-
And then remember Stratak. Stratak Vek. Okay, all right. Anyway, and I'll come to that next week. Leon, a nep,
Masculine.
Masculine.
okay. Broad vowel. Tav,
Also
Masculine.
masculine, okay. Broad vowel. Kush,
Feminine.
Feminine.
feminine, okay. Slender vowel. Ephraim, hell.
Could this be
Also-
feminine because it's a heavenly body or no?
What?
Gosh, I
Oh,
not.
Oh, heavenly body. Okay, yeah. Okay.
I don't think so.
Slender vowel. Okay, okay. All right. Erech, spring. Broad vowel.
Masculine.
Masculine.
Gaurag,
Masculine.
Masculine.
ADH.
broad vowel. Yeah, yeah, but it's not a verbal noun. Right, okay, yeah, but it's not a verbal noun, but it does have that ADH on the end, so that's right, okay? Kalach Aicha,
Feminine.
the feminine from the Kalach. Okay, Aicha right here, old
Is
woman.
night.
Uh-huh, okay. Night is modifying it. And so the
Woman of
operative
the night.
would be old woman.
Night woman.
That's not nice.
Kalach equals old woman, okay, all right.
Yeah.
Bulik,
Feminine.
feminine, yeah, okay. Ending in
AG.
E, okay,
EAG. Yeah.
okay. Mace,
Masculine.
Masculine.
fillet, yeah. Broad vowel, Ari,
Feminine.
Feminine.
feminine, yeah, okay. Slender vowel, Bohan,
Masculine.
Masculine.
masculine, okay. Let's see, Tone,
Feminine.
Masculine.
okay. Feminine, body part, yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Then, and then we know the, okay, a little, that's doing, little, okay. Anybody recognize this, Pogue?
Pogue Mahone.
Kiss my
Yeah,
I say nice.
Pogue Mahone. Okay, all right. So if you're driving down the road and somebody cuts you off, you can always say Pogue Mahone. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So, this is the all right. So, we want to go on to something else right now. But anyway, but you got more than half of it to go, so you can practice this. And this is the active one. In fact, I will leave this one up and take the other one down because that other one, as I said, was an earlier draft, and I didn't. Oh no, I'm on the
That's
wrong.
the old one.
Yeah, that's the old one. Okay, so right here that you want.
There it is.
And I want you to get because this really emphasizes the rules, and this, if I've done it correctly, and so far we've seen that everyone follows some sort of rule or another. So I think this is a good exercise. Okay, and one more, karak,
Feminine.
feminine, yeah. Ending in AIG. Okay, gleva. Okay, so and we've got more than half of them to go. So so go through this and go through it more than once. Repetition is one of the ways to learn. But you get through this, and again, you get through this, and not only will you learn these new words, you'll learn the words, you'll learn their genders, but you'll also, I'm going to stop to share for a moment, but you'll also become familiar with how to apply the rule. Okay, and that is so learning the vocabulary, learning the gender of the vocabulary is important, but perhaps one of the most important things is how to apply, to recognize the rule. Okay, so so on the fly, you can just sort of recognize whether it's male or female or masculine or feminine. They said next week, another part, an extension of this lesson will be we'll delve into mnemonic devices. So when you learn a noun, you can easily apply a mnemonic device to help you remember it. Okay, right. So, and I've already given away, part of that device, but we'll go over it. Any questions? Any questions?
I had a quick question.
Sure. Yeah.
You mentioned the word for partnership. I was wondering if you wouldn't mind breaking that word down. It was comparticus?
Yeah.
Or-
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Where are we? Okay. Okay. Very often you'll see it like this, parsticus. Okay. Get the spelling right here, coparsticus.
Parsticus.
Okay, yeah, coparsticus. Like to take part. And then
Oh.
and for some reason it's spelled C-O-M, but more often you'll see the C-O-M as co. Okay. Or sometimes, like in English, you might even see a co. Okay. But like in English, it means something like along with or with. Okay. But take part with, something like that. Coparsticus.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Shade of veil. All right. Now, where are we? All right. Okay. All right. Now, I have a couple reading things. Okay. Just kind of fun things. Okay. And then if I can get this to come up. Okay. Fleva. Okay. So now so again, remember, purpose of the reading, and I always hope it's a little bit entertaining at least, but good way for us to learn phrases and words. And so anyway, so Kachavel spot. Kach where Avel, the question is
Where is spot?
Spot. Where is spot? Kachavel spot. Okay. All right.
Yeah, we can't see your screen.
Okay. Oh, okay. I'm glad you said something. I could have gone.
We don't see Spot.
Yeah, we don't see spot. Okay. All right.
He ran away.
He ran away.
Catch Bell Tim, I see him.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. What do we got? Okay. All right. Screen. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Denise. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Screen. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Yeah. I could have gone on for 20 minutes like that.
Oh.
Anyway. All right. So, Kachavel spot. Okay. All right. So, okay. It's Kachavel spot. Is spot. And so here we see the dishes, Sally and
Spot.
over here on the left. Okay. So, spot crosta. So go ahead and say after me, spot crosta.
Spot
Spot crosta.
Okay. Crosta would be cross.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Shoam bieg echa.
Show and be a
Echa.
This is his food?
Yeah. Yeah. Here is his food, or this is his food. Okay. Ach, Kachavele Hain.
Kachavel Hain.
Kachavele Hain. Yeah. Kachavel A, where is he? And then Hain.
himself.
Yeah, himself. Not always translated as exactly himself if it doesn't quite make sense in English. Where is he himself? In English, what would we say? We'd say, where is he? So Hain can sometimes substitute for, in English, we might just vocally emphasize a word. Like, where is he? Something like that. Kachavele Hain. Okay, so where is he? Okay, but where is he? Shoam bieg echa. Kachavele. Okay, Vele cool Andorish.
Vele and cool Andorra.
So vel, sometimes you'll see this as a shortened form of a bheil. So the formal would be a bheil. I'm going to take off the little notations. But sometimes you'll see it shortened to just bheil. Okay. All right. Okay. So just like in English, very often, we'll cut short part of a sentence or a word or something like that. Cool Honduras. Okay, behind. Cool. Cool in various forms means behind or in the back.
The door.
Of the door. Yeah, Honduras. Okay. And this would be not to get into that, but that's a form of the word door. Okay, it's the genitive. In back of the door. This is the equivalent of in back of the door. Okay, Vele cool Honduras. Okay, Vele ounce of cloch.
Vele ounce of cloch.
Is he?
It's behind the clock.
Is he at?
Yeah, ounce in
In
the clock. Okay. That is one word for clock. Another word is just a plain ur. Okay, ur.
Time.
Clock. Okay, yeah. Okay. Vele ounce of clock. Okay. Oop. Keep on going too far. Okay.
Vele ounce Fianna.
Piano.
Yeah. Is he in ounce?
The piano.
In the piano. Okay. All right. Okay. Vele ounce of Fianna.
Vele ounce. Vele fun stire.
Is he under the stairs?
Styra. Is he under the stairs?
Stire.
Fun styra. Foe would be under. Yeah. Foe would be under. Fun would be under the. Okay. Here. Under the, and it breaks down as foe on. Okay, so it's a contraction. Fun. Foe on. Under the. Okay. Right. In Skyra. Fully ounce of closet.
Yeah, on the closet.
In the closet.
Yeah, is he in the closet? Okay. Fully ounce of closet. Okay. All right. Fully fun yappy.
3 ounce on Lucky.
Yeah,
he's under the bed.
Is he under the bed? Okay. Fun lappy. Okay. Okay. Now, faux on lappy. Okay. There you go. Okay. Fully ounce of hishja.
Vele ounce.
Okay.
In the chest.
Yeah, in the trunk or the chest, something like that. Kishja. Now, what we're seeing here in a lot of these words is the lenition that goes with a the. I'm not going to get into the rules, but sometimes you'll see that. So, like in this case, you have kishja, which is a chest or trunk, but kishja, the
trunk
or trunk. And so in different cases, you might have a lenition if you have a the. Okay, but we'll get to that. Okay. Shoot spot. High von vrat.
High
von
vrat.
Okay. Shoot spot there. Shoot. Okay, spot. Okay. High von vrat. He's under the carpet, under the rug. Brat. Yeah, under the mat. Yeah. A brat would be a carpet or or a rug, or it could be a mat. It's okay. High von vrat. Okay.
Right.
Okay. And okay. Schuetenisch. Ich do
big spot snook.
Spot snook. Schuetenisch. Now, now then, okay.
Eat your food.
Yeah, eat your food. Ich do
Nice spot.
Yeah.
Spot snog, nice spot. Okay. Spot snock. Okay. Snock is kind of a general word for nice. Okay, or good spot. Okay. Shootenies. Now then. Okay. Ich de Weg. Okay. Eat your food.
Ich Weg.
De Weg. Yeah. Anyway, so that's a spot. Okay. I've got another one here for us. Okay.
Rome.
On show a Agnésio Moron. All right. Okay. Agnésio Moron. Okay. Okay.
Moron.
Moron. Okay.
Where's
Okay.
my nose?
Is this my nose? Okay. A show is this Moron, my nose. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So, Kachevel de Hulen, de Hulen, de Hulen.
Kachevel
That's about a
Hulen.
Hulen, the Hulen, the Hulen. Where are my eyes?
Yeah. Where are your eyes? Okay. Kachevel do Hulen.
Your eyes, your eyes, your eyes.
Your eyes, your eyes, your eyes. So you can sing this. Okay. Kachevel de Hulen. Sul would be the singular.
Eye.
Uh-huh.
Hulen.
Would be I. Sulen would be eyes. Okay. All right. Dahulen, and then for another rule, do lenites. Okay, but we'll get to that later. Okay. Show.
Show.
Shall.
Show it.
So it.
Yeah. So shall.
Look at this.
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
They
Yeah.
are here.
Yeah, they are here. Show it. Shall. Shall is look. Okay.
They
Show
are
it.
here.
Here they are. Okay. All right. Okay.
Kachevel.
Yeah, and then notice also with the show it, very often with the show, we don't have the verb explicitly stated. So we don't say show aha it, just say show it. Okay. All right. So Kachevel Doroin, Doroin, Doroin.
Kachevel Doroin.
Doroin.
Yeah.
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose? Nose.
Yeah. Okay. Shall, showy.
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 Yeah. Here they are. Or here it
Here
is.
it is.
Here she
Look.
is. Okay. Remember she. So we follow the gender. To use the pronoun, we follow the gender of the noun that we're referring to. Okay, so Shròin is feminine, so we use e, the feminine pronoun for she. Okay, here she is. Okay. Kachevel do
Listen.
Where are your ears? Your ears. Your ears.
You wear your ears, your ears, your ears. Yeah. Okay. Shall show it.
Show it.
Shall show it.
Okay. Okay. Shall show it. Look, here they are. Kachevel de viol. Viol.
Viol.
Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Your mouth.
Yeah, yeah. Shall showy.
Oh,
shall showy.
They're breaking the rule now.
Yeah, biol. Yeah.
Because that's a body part.
Uh-huh.
But they said
do smickich, do smickich, do smickich.
Kachevel do smicket, do smicket, do smicket. Where is your chin?
Where's your chin? Very good. Yeah. Shall show a.
Shall show a.
So why are they using E?
Very good. Okay, that must be
masculine. Why did it become masculine? Yeah.
That's a body part.
I know, and it ends with a smickich. Firnach, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's
the rule.
Yeah, it's irregular. Yeah. So smickich.
Even the one before that was an A.
Yeah. So
the ears.
Cluisen, cluis, yeah, okay.
Or mouth. Mouth was masculine.
Oh, yeah, it's feminine, okay. Ma'arenu.
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 Ma'arenu, okay. Is good that did you. It's good that you did. You did well. Okay.
Mm,
Ma arenu.
Iranian.
Yeah.
Ma Iranian.
Ma arenu. Yeah. Okay. Renu guma. You did well. Okay. Ma arenu.
Well,
Oh, and here we have a little Sulin,
Chulin,
Throne,
Drone,
Drone.
Biel,
Biol,
Yeah.
Cluison,
Listen.
Smikich.
Nuggets.
Yeah. Oh, here we have another one. Kachivel on Skahan, on Skahan, on Skahan. Okay, Skahan would be a mirror. Where's the mirror? Okay.
Gahan.
Okay, Skahan. Okay, I'm gonna look something else up. Just they have Strone, yeah.
Is girl.
They have an irregular spelling for nose. They spell it with I. The normal spelling is and without the I. Sron, long O. Okay, but it's irregular. But you find that I don't know if a lot is the operative word, but you find it's in Gaelic that sometimes you have alternate spellings, alternate phrases. So anyway, all right, okay. Any questions? Okay, no questions. Okay, all right. Okay, well, I got one more thing for us. We will sing this is a song that we sang last time. Seems so long ago. Okay, but it's and we'll just sing a verse of it or so. Okay, and then we'll come back to it next week and learn another verse. Let's see if I can get the okay, yeah, right here. Okay, all right. Now, I know. Screen. Okay. Okay, okay, yeah, okay. Fervata, boatman. Okay, sometimes translated to the boat captain. Okay, fervata, not just a man on a boat, but the man on the boat. Okay, okay. So it goes here avata,
Here, Vata.
here avata,
Yaravata.
Nata.
here avata,
Yaravata.
horoela.
No order ea.
And what's going on with the here is it is the vocative. We or the singer is addressing the boatman. Okay, so he's Feravata, but when you talk to him, you go, oh, Hiravata, oh, boatman. Okay, Mohori slan let is gach achan chechu. Mohori slan let.
Sorry, Lon let.
Is gach achan chechu.
Sha'acha Chehu.
And each place that you will go, okay, or wherever you go, okay, is Trich Michelton,
Is me chick with Narchin.
Shelton, on Kroch an Arscha,
Krok and Arsha.
is often that I look from the top of the hill, from the highest hill, Gichem Fike,
G come fike.
like me Feravata,
Me fair Vata.
trying to see the boatman, okay, on Chikunju,
And Chikanju.
no, on Chikumarach.
And Chikumaris.
Okay, will you come today or will you come tomorrow? Okay, on Jew today, on Chiku Marak, will you come tomorrow? Marak. It's Murchiku Eacher.
Is me chiku.
Murchiku Eacher Gutruch Ahami.
Is a good true ahami.
If you don't come at all, it is sad that I will be. Truag. Okay, sad. Hamokriya sa bristja brustja. Hamokriya sa bristja brustja.
Ha me krisha sabrista bruta.
Yeah. My heart is broken and bruised. Bristja brustja. Is trichna jor.
Is Trigna Jor.
Rui omhulen.
Rui omhulen.
Okay, as often the tears run from my eyes. Okay, mohulen. On chikunok.
Chikunok.
No, on B modgul root. Will you come tonight, or will I be waiting for you? Will I be in my expectation for you? No, and dún me and Doris.
Do me and Doris.
Le osna hursich.
Ne osa thursach.
Or will I dún the door, close the door? Okay, and very often you might say that to somebody. Dunyan Doris, Dunan Doris. Okay, close the door. Le osna hursich, with a sad sigh. Is trick me feinig?
Is trick me feinig?
Sgeulachd na Bhàta.
Sgeulachd na Bhàta.
Is often that I ask of the people of the boatmen, Luke Nambata, Luke be people, okay, of the boat, of the Bhàta. Fuck it u. No velu salvage.
No velu salvage.
Or are you safe? Okay. Have they seen you, or are you safe? Ach sound hagach un ach sound hagach un gu grachen.
Asa achu anju grachen.
You grachen. Okay. But they all tell me Gorgorach Misha.
Oh, Gorgorach Misha.
Misha is foolish. I am. Mahuk mi gragut. If I gave you love, if Hook gave me love to you, if I gave you love, okay? All right. Okay, so let's try that, okay? And then I have a video that we can read the lyrics. Okay, so let's see. So let me expand that. Gaelic up top, English on the bottom, and then also see, a note. Luke sounds like a mouse, not people. Yes, well, it does. It does, and you're absolutely right. Luke is a mouse, and Luke with a K is people. Okay, so that's something like what I was talking about. Okay. Okay, so I'll just come back to this for a second. Okay. Denise pointed out something kind of interesting. Okay. Luch, with just a CH ending, is mouse, and Luch, with the K ending equals people. Okay. Look. Okay, you have to have that K ending. And that's important, or else people will think that you're talking about mice. Bhàta, the mouse of the boat. Okay, no, it's Luch with a K. So you have to practice that ucher. Okay, all right, okay. Let's try this. Okay, so. Okay, and then you can hear the music there, right? You can hear that? When I play it, can you hear it?
Yep, I hear it.
Okay, play about. Okay, all right.
Strich mi sjálftín
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, so you can hear me now. Anyway, I was just saying a beautiful song, I think. So anyway, but okay. So that's about it for tonight. Does anybody have any questions before we go? Any questions or points of interest? Okay. All right.
No.
All right. Okay. Well, Tapaleva Hula Dunya. Okay. Hami Dog.
Cheery.
Happily.
Happily.
Take me.
Cheery.
And I hope I see you next week if I'm not frozen out or burned out. So
I don't know where Pat is.
yeah. Okay. All right. So. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. We're missing Pat tonight. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll send her a little note. Okay. All right. All right. Well, Aikava Hula Dunya. Aikava.
Hi, come on.
Akava.
Thank you.